Dear students, soon after learning this location of our country and about IST, Indian Standard Time, we need to know some other information regarding calculation of the time from one longitude to another longitude, or from prime meridian to our Indian Standard Meridian, that is 82.5 degrees. Usually we have the longitudes about 360 around the earth. See here, this is 0 degree prime meridian, I said. From this prime meridian to the east, behind this 180 degrees international date line. So from 0 degree to 180 degrees international date line is 180 degrees are there, longitudes. 180 longitudes are there from 0 to 180 international date line towards east in the eastern hemisphere. At the same time, from 0 to westwards, from 0 to 180 degrees international date line behind this other side of the world, 180 west longitudes are there. Totally 180 west longitudes and another 180 east longitudes. Together 360 longitudes are there located around the earth. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. This is 68, 97 like that. Up to international date line towards east in the eastern hemisphere, 180 longitudes are there. For each degree, one longitude. In that way, 180 east longitudes. In the same way, in the westwards, up to the international date line from 0 degree Greenwich meridian, about 180 west longitudes are there. For each degree, one longitude. Together, the entire earth, around the earth from here, for example, this is the globe. This is 0 degree prime meridian, here 0 degree prime meridian passing through the London, and here this is international date line. From towards east, from here to towards, moving towards east, and if you find this 180 degrees east, that is not east or west, 180 degrees international date line here, 180 degrees or 180 longitudes, and another side another 180 longitudes. Together 360 longitudes. Together 360 longitudes. Now come to the point to find or to calculate the time difference between one place to another, or from one longitude to another longitude. That is the point or topic here. For 360 longitudes, usually our earth takes for each rotation 24 hours, that is said to be a day. Now, our earth has two movements. What are the two movements? Rotation, and another one is revolution. Now, come to the first movement, rotation. Rotation is nothing but moving on its axis around itself, This is said to be the movement rotation of the earth. Now, it takes, for example, this is our country. Now, you are looking at our country now. Now, here our country is moving along with the earth, and it reaches the same place. Now, here you see our country is here, it is moving along with the earth. It takes 24 hours to reach the same area again. So, for each rotation, all the places Usually they take 24 hours to reach the same location on the earth. So 24 hours is the time duration for one rotation, that is said to be 1 day. Now you can let us try to understand the total number of longitudes or degrees and total time for one rotation. Here 360 longitudes or 360 degrees. For each degree one longitude, in that sense 360 longitudes or 360 degrees. Time is about 24 hours for one rotation. So in 24 hours, how many longitudes we are crossing to revolve around itself to reach the same place? 24 hours, 360 degrees. Here 24 hours time duration is being taken by a place to travel 300 cross the 360 longitudes. So 360 longitudes are being crossed by a place in 24 hours. So totally how much time does it take for reaching the same place? 24 hours. So in this sense 24 hours 360 longitudes. So this one here number of hours and number of degrees. Here 24 now we are changing this 24 hours into minutes. The whole day we are going to change into the form of minutes. That is for each hour number of minutes. What is the how many minutes are there for one each hour? 60. So 24 into 60, that is 1440 minutes. 360 degrees, 1440 minutes. So for each, now here you can understand for 360 degrees, 1440 minutes, nothing but 1 day. In 1 day we are crossing 360 longitudes or 360 degrees. Now for each longitude or for each degree, here 360 force 4 minutes. Now what does it mean? For 1 degree or for 1 longitude 4 minutes. To cross 1 longitude we need the time about 4 minutes. 1 minute, one longitude or 1 degree to 4 minutes. Here the longitudinal distance from western edge to the eastern edge is about 29. Difference already I taught in the previous topic. 29. So to travel from here to there, 29 into 4 minutes, approximately 29 into 4 minutes, approximately 120 minutes, just less than 4 minutes, that is 2 hours, approximately 2 hours, 114. This is 120 minutes. To cross this 68 to 97, 2 hours. That is why our Indian Standard Time taken in the middle longitude, the reference of 82.5 degrees east longitude, the difference between the western edge and the eastern edge is about 2 hours. 2 hours. That is why we take this longitude which is passing through the middle of our country, 82.5 degrees east longitude, to avoid the difference of the time from place to place. For example, from here to there 2 hours time we are taking. That is why if we take this middle longitude, there is no difference from east west in a greatly. That is about 2 hours. Now we can adjust with 1 hour time difference. That's all. Now here 4 minutes for each longitude. 4 minutes for each 360 longitudes, 440 minutes. This is nothing but 24 hours. That is 1 day. 1 day is nothing but one rotation of the earth, rotation of the single rotation or a single day, 24 hours. 24 hours we made into 1440 minutes. 1440 minutes for 360 longitudes. 1 degree 4 minutes, 1 longitude 4 minutes time. So time, we need to find the time difference from one longitude to another longitude. For example, the longitudinal distance is about 29 here. Here approximately 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. The longitudinal distance is, in case the longitudinal distance is about 5 now into 4 minutes, that is 20 minutes. The time difference is only 20 minutes if the longitudes are only 5. For 5 longitudes, 20 minutes. 1 longitude, 4 minutes. For 10 longitudes, 40 minutes. Like that, we have the difference of the time from west to east about 2 hours. That is why, to avoid the confusion, we are taking the center middle traveling line 82.5 degrees east as a reference longitude for our Indian Standard Time. Now we are going to find the time difference from prime meridian, that is passing through the London. Prime meridian to our Indian Standard Time. Time difference from prime meridian to our Indian Standard Time. For example, here you see this is the prime meridian. I taught in the previous class. GM or PM, Greenwich meridian or prime meridian, which is passing through the middle of passing through the London in Europe. From here, this is our country. This is 82 degrees east longitude. 82 degrees east longitude. The difference from here to there is about, this is 0 degree, 0 to longitude 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. If you count here, this is the longitude which is passing through the middle of our country and taken as a reference longitude for our Indian Standard Time is 82.5 degrees. The distance, longitudinal distance from prime meridian to Indian Standard Time reference longitude 82.5 degrees is only 82.5 longitudes. 82.5 degree, half longitudes. 1 minute. Longitudinal distance from Greenwich meridian to our India's meridian, reference meridian is 82.5 degrees east. The 0 is the prime meridian. This is our Indian Standard Meridian. 0 to 82.5. Now we can find the time difference from London to our country by calculating or multiplying with 4 minutes for each degree. Now 82.5 into 4, approximately 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes ahead to our prime meridian. Our Indian Standard Time is about 5 hours 30 minutes ahead to the prime meridian of the world. In this way, we need to find the time difference from one longitude to another longitude by calculating or multiplying with each degree 4 minutes. Now 82.5 degrees difference from you can find the difference from prime meridian to our Indian standard meridian is about 82.5 degrees, being calculated or multiplied by here 4 minutes. Then totally 5 hours 30 minutes is the time difference of prime meridian or Greenwich meridian to our Indian standard meridian IST 82.5. Totally 5 hours 30 minutes ahead, our Indian standard time ahead to the Greenwich meridian, Greenwich mean time. Thank you. May God bless you.